keep up to date with our latest videos, please hit the subscribe button below. Hi there, welcome to this video from racingbackdata.com. In this video, we're going to be showing you the selection management part of the website, which you can find here, Save Selection Management. You can also access this through the data dashboard, and I'm going to take you through how it works. So click on the Save Selection Management, and you can see I've got no selections saved at the moment, but it's given me the option to add new ones. So these are all linked through your account, and again, as previous videos have indicated, that's always visible across the top. So I'm going to select Add New, and this will load up a replication of the dashboard, allowing you to add a new selection. So let's just call this lay system. Okay, and I'm just going to pick this at complete random. I'm just going to pick the all-weather tracks and leave these as defaults. You can specify the jockey or the trainer, but I'm going to leave that. I'm going to select horses with a pace rating of 1, 2, or 3. No filters on the weight or the headgear. I'm going to say the maximum SP range is 5, and I want to apply that to Betfair odds. And we're going to say anything under a mile, any class, and we're just going to look at the current year and see what that output is. So there's no logic, if you like, behind that system. I've just picked some random data for the purpose of the video. I'm going to add this selection. You can click that down the bottom there. And you can see here your selection has now been added to the system. Now, if I wanted to use that and get the output, you click on the Go to Dashboard button there. And see here across the top, you've got Apply Selections. You can see that my selection lay system has now been applied, and by selecting that from the drop down, it will now populate. So you can scroll through and see that all of those criteria that I've just selected previously have been retained and recalled, and I can now click the Submit button at the bottom. And that will take you straight to the output. So you can see that this year so far there's been 33 records. And then at a glance, you can see that the lay profit, which is what we're talking about here, is at 10% yield. And then that's broken down by favorites, second favorites, third favorites, etc. Okay, so that's how you use the save a selection function and how you manage it all across the top. Now, what if you wanted to amend that system? So you wanted to tweak it, perhaps you wanted to change the year, or you wanted to change the pace. Let's go back to your selection management page, and you can see a list of your selections. We've only got one in here. And on the right-hand side, you've got Select. So simply click the Select button there. And this will load up the options from where you can amend or delete the current system that we've selected. So let's click on Amend. And you can see that it's highlighted that as being amendable now. So let's scroll through and change the year to 2021. And then down the bottom, you've got the Amend this selection. Click on the Amend button, and it's confirming your selection has now been amended. So if we want to use that and generate the output, we go back to the dashboard. And from the Apply Selections, we select the lay system. This is now going to populate in the dashboard. If we scroll to the bottom here, you'll see that that should have changed to 2021, as it has. And then we can generate the output by clicking Submit, as we did before. We've obviously got this on-screen prompt showing that it's loading the data. And 150 records last year. We can scroll to the bottom, and again you can see that that was profitable. 255 units from a lay stake of 10, which equated to a ROI of 6.94. So that's a very quick way as to how you can use your managed selections. You can use your selections to generate output. You can amend them, and if required, you can delete them.